Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have another Vine O box for you. So I just recently did a Vine O. This is their spring box, but one of the items in the box had to be replaced. So Vine O sent me the new box that you will be getting if you order your box now. Now, if these do sell out, there is always the interim box that you can get. This is now the Oh Treat Me box. The other one was the Oh Happy Day box. And let's just see what's in this one. So it should basically be the same with just one minor change, right? Oh, they actually sent me two of the same. These are the new Crush MOSCATO. I know some of you were really excited that they're carrying a MOSCATO now. This is a sweeter wine. I'm really excited to try this. This will be fantastic for those warm spring days. It has definitely been quite hot this week. And then for the treats that you get inside your Vine O box. All right, we've got our little cards here that tell us what everything is. Sips and surprises. Okay, so the major difference between this box and the other box is that instead of the chairware, the chair thing that you're supposed to like put on your beach chair or whatever, these are going to have this Mary Square sunglass case. Oh, that's cute. It says, I hope you know that you are capable, brave, significant, and loved. How cute. That's a nice little note in here. Oh, and this is a nice sunglasses case. It's one of those, like, you know, where it's got the metal in there so that it closes on its own, but it's got a, you know what I'm talking about? Can you tell what I'm talking about? Anyway, this is a nice little case. Oh, I actually could really use this because I do always shove my sunglasses in my purse, but I feel like the hard shell case is too big. It's really bulky. So this will actually be really nice. Oh, I'm excited about that. And it's cute. It's all pink with gold polka dots on it. And then the other thing is this, also from Mary Square. This is, I believe this is a necklace. Navy pearl choker. Oh, and I believe that there are different colors of these. So you could get the navy one, or you might get, where's my card? On the little card, it shows that you can get, you know, different colored sunglasses cases or different colored chokers. Okay, so here is the choker. Oh, and I just happen to not be wearing a necklace. That's funny. Did not even do that on purpose. Okay, so it's definitely, you know, I mean, it's got a chain, so it's a bit adjustable. So you could do it tighter or larger, depending on the size of your neck or how tight you want it. That's actually really cute. Oh, I like that. What fun. Is that centered? I can't even tell. My shirt's not on straight. How cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love both of these things. This will be great. Okay, and then this is from Kiko. Quality you can see. Kiko leather. And this has a little pocket on the outside and a little zipper. This kind of thing comes in so handy for me, I'm telling you, because I hate carrying a big purse all the time, and I do on a daily basis. But, you know, like if I'm going out, I just want to carry like something small. So I just throw, you know, maybe a little bit of cash, a couple of cards, my ID, that kind of thing. And then just, you know, keep this with me. Especially like when I'm traveling, because you don't want, you know, a big thing. Anyway, this is really nice. That's cute. Another Mary Square item. This is a Mousepad. This is cute. I like the stripies. Oh, my chocolate broke, but that's okay. I'm really excited to eat this. It's just a dark chocolate wine glass shaped fine chocolate from Annedore's, and it is dark chocolate. Ooh, I'm super excited to eat that. And then from Pangea Organics, this body oil, Italian white sage and geranium. I'm actually wearing this today from my other box, and I really, really like it. I like to put it on right after my shower while my skin is still damp from the shower, and it just soaks right in, and it smells really nice. It has kind of this clean, earthy, fragrant scent to it. I don't know, but it does actually smell really good, and I really love body oils. Okay, so that is a super fun box. I'm really excited about this, and I really appreciate that they noticed there was an issue with one of the products and they fixed it. I think that that is really awesome, and it just really speaks to the quality of products that you get from Vine O. Like, they stand by what they give you, you know what I mean? Okay, well, awesome. I will leave all of the information about Vine O in the description box. Links to get this box box, as well as their interim box that you can get all year round if you do need to give it as a gift or you just want one in the meantime because you're sad that you have to wait another several months before the next seasonal box. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I highly recommend Vino. This is definitely my favorite subscription box. I mean, hello, there's wine in it and things to pamper myself. What more could you ask for? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!